A very good morning, children. As you know, we have been discussing a variety of algebraic identities, and using the same, we are just solving the given questions. So I'm there at second Roman of exercise 9.5, which gives we have to make use of the identity x plus a multiplied by x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b multiplied by x plus ab. Okay, this is the identity which we have to use. I just write a bit of the question which is required, children. You copy the complete question from textbook. So if you observe the identity, okay, in both the binomials which are under multiplication, x is the common term, where the other two terms are different types of variables or terms. Hope you understood. And sometimes they may give a plus x multiplied by x plus b. In that case also you have to consider a plus x as x plus a only. Don't get confused of it, okay, as it is the rarest case. So don't worry, but just keep this thing in mind. Okay, when the one of the terms of the given binomials under multiplication is same and the rest two are different variables, we have to make use of this identity. So let us take the first question of this. X plus 3 multiplied by x plus 7. X plus 3 multiplied by x plus 7. As we have to use this identity, we can write here the value of x is x itself. A is 3 and b is 7. I am comparing this x plus 3 multiplied by x plus 7 with x plus a multiplied by x plus b. See, in both the cases the value of x is same, the value of a is 3 and the value of b is 7. And the value of b is 7. Now look. X plus a multiplied by x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b multiplied by x plus b. Therefore, x plus 3 multiplied by x plus 7 is equal to x square, means here also we have the value of x as x square, plus a plus b. What is a here? 3 plus what is b? 7 multiplied by x value. Here we have x value as x, plus a multiplied by b, 3 multiplied by 7. That is equal to x square plus 3 plus 7, 10. 10 into x, 10x, plus 3 into 7, 21. See, x square plus 10x plus 21. So whenever you see this kind of problems, we have to estimate what is x, what is a and what is b of the given terms. Then we have to make use of this identity. Now I am just moving to sixth question of this exercise, children. So please observe the board. 2a square plus 9 multiplied by 2a square plus 5. Please check the board carefully. Now, what are the values of x, a and b here? Here x is equal to 2a square. The common term x, 2a square, 2a square. And a is equal to 9. b is equal to 5. X term is 2a square. I am comparing this with x plus a and x plus b. What is the value of x? 2a square. And what's the value of a? 9. And the value of b is 5. Now, therefore, 2a square plus 9 multiplied by 2a square plus 5 is equal to x square. Okay, the square of the x term. What is the x term here? 2a square. 2a square whole square. Okay, 2a square whole power 2 plus the value of a is 9 plus the value of b is 5 multiplied by x plus a multiplied by b. What's the a term? 9 multiplied by b term is 5. Now, if you are quite confident, you directly put the answer. Otherwise, look. 2a square whole square means 2a square multiplied by 2a square. 2a square multiplied by 2a square plus 9 plus 5. 14 into x, 14x plus 9 5s are 45. 9 5s are 45. Look. 2a square multiplied by 2a square. 2 2s are 4. A square multiplied by a square. A power m multiplied by a power n. A power m plus n. So 4a power 4 plus 14x plus 45. 4a power 4 plus 14x plus 45. I hope you are quite familiar and confident with this kind of multiplications. So now I'm moving to the 7th one of this exercise, children. So the 7th one is xyz minus 4 multiplied by xyz minus 4. The same identity we are going to make use of. So here we can write the value of x is equal to xyz, a is equal to minus 4. And surprisingly, the value of b is also minus 4. Okay. Sorry, I think it's minus 2, children. It's minus 2. Yes. Even minus 4 also we can use of different identity. So don't worry. Minus 2. So the value of x is equal to xyz, a is equal to minus 4 and b is equal to minus 2. Apply the identity carefully. xyz minus 4, therefore xyz minus 4 multiplied by xyz minus 2 is equal to the value of x square, that means xyz whole square, plus the value of a is minus 4 and the value of b is minus 2 multiplied by x plus minus 4 into minus 2. Please be careful whenever you encounter questions with minus, children. Okay. So a value is minus 4 and b value is minus 2. And similarly, a value is minus 4 and b value is minus 2. Now look. xyz whole square. Okay. It's x square, y square, z square, isn't it? Individual squaring of the terms in that multiplication. X square, y square, z square plus of minus 4 minus 2 minus 6 multiplied by x plus minus into minus plus 4 2s are 8. Okay. Now the final answer, x square, y square, z square plus into minus is minus 6x plus into plus is plus 8. So x square, y square, z square plus into minus gives us minus and 6 into x. As you know, bracket indicates multiplication. So 6 into x, 6x plus into plus we have 8. So this is the way how we have to resolve the questions by making use of the given identity, children. As I dealt with the confusing and a bit tough problems of this exercise, the rest of the problems of this exercise you do as today's homework and make use of HW to do the same. And I appreciate the people who are sending me the HWs. So I request each and every student to follow the CWs and HWs carefully so that it won't create any kind of mess whenever you want to read for the examinations, children. So we'll stop here. Let us catch up tomorrow. Have a great day.